Jennifer, how many keys to your car do you have?
One,
Jennifer, where's the other key?
it got stolen when I got robbed.
Oh no, what happened?
It disappeared. I had to have the whole other key reprogrammed so they couldn't steal my car too on top of it.
Oh, how much of a pain was that?
Huge.
Okay, so you've only got one key, but you did have it reprogrammed. Where did you get robbed?
At my house.
No way.
Yeah.
In home invasion?
Yes. All my TVs, everything.
Oh, you weren't there?
No.
Okay, well that's fortunate. That's fortunate. Okay, the reason I chose not to give the reason I ask, and you know what? There may be a solution here. Because the reason I ask is the more keys you have, the more valuable your vehicle. Those keys are so doggone expensive, you probably, well, you already know, $600. If you had another key, that would raise the value of your trade-in. But did you happen to purchase a key replacement policy when you bought that vehicle?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
I tell you what, do you have the paperwork from your previous purchase?
I do.
In the glove compartment?
Yes.
All right. Jennifer, if you'll give it to me, I'll do two things for you. I do this for all my customers. Number one, I'll look for coverages that you have in place that will make your trade-in more valuable. Coverages like key replacement. And I'll also look for coverages that by the laws of the state of California, you might be due a refund for any unused term or miles. So if you'll grab that paperwork for me, I'll go to work for you. Cool?
Perfect. Thank you.
All right. What did I just do right there?
Multiple means.
Yeah. The only thing I forgot to do was say, hey, because once I looked at her paperwork and I go through it, I'll say, okay, I'm going to take this to my manager to see if we can find something that I missed, but you don't appear to have key replacement. Okay? That's the bad news. The good news is the vehicle you're looking at comes with key replacement, complimentary for 6 months. And Jennifer, if you plan on keeping that vehicle longer than 6 months, and I'm going to bet you probably do, make sure you check with PJ or one of her people, and they'll show you how to extend that coverage, okay? So it's formulaic. Meaning, once you understand the formula, you can do this with anything. You can do it with paintless dent repair, cosmetic wheel repair, windshield repair, service contracts, key replacement. What else comes? Fabric repair, paint and scratch repair. It's formulaic.